The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and Tab S8 Plus are remarkably limited upgrades compared to 2020's Galaxy Tab S7 and Tab S7 Plus. If you're after an Android tablet, this will likely be a top choice for 2022. We'll know at the time of full review, but it isn't worth upgrading from Samsung's last release. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and Tab S8 Plus are probably going to be among our favorite tablets of the year, at least unless something surprising comes up, as they're super powerful Android slates with useful extra features. The Tab S8 products that we're reviewing are the cheapest two members of the new tablet family that also includes that larger screen Tab S8 Ultra. Both these tablets are remarkably similar, so we've combined our coverage of each into one hands-on review. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 is the cheapest member of this Android tablet family, starting at $699.99, £649 AU $1,099 for Wi-Fi only 128GB and 8GB of RAM. Version the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus starts at $899.99, £849 AU $1,499 with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. There are many different price options. These are both lightweight, beautiful, and responsive devices. The widescreen format might take some getting used to for iPad fans, but these are both slates to be reckoned with. If you're after a top-end device with a huge display, you may prefer the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. The response time from the moment we touched the S Pen to the screen and started drawing was impressive, as the digital ink appears to flow out of the S Pen tip onto the Super AMOLED screen. The S Pen, which is designed to work with the Tab S8 family, was comfortable to hold and use. Backed